Hello everyone, this is Imad and today I'm going to introduce to you a tool on AutoCAD that draws polyline rectangles around all items on AutoCAD, so they fit exactly around each of the items on AutoCAD, so it's kind of very exact. You can't draw them by hand and it's kind of very hard to draw them by hand. So this tool is made for this purpose. I have put also a block because the tool interacts differently with the block, so it may have advantages, and if you don't want these advantages you can simply explode the block and you get the items inside. Let's go back and have the block again to show you the result. So I will start by opening the macro window, VBA run. This is a macro window. If you don't get this macro window, you need to install the VBA enabler for your version of AutoCAD. Okay, so actually the link for going to install the VBA enabler is within the window that shows up when you don't get this window of macros. So it's very straightforward. If you don't know, you can search on the internet and it's very easy. You can download it. Let's go. Now I'm going to load the tool. This is the bounding box tool. It will be available on the internet for download. I will put it on my OneDrive and I will put a link in the description for you to download it and use it. Before I show you, please subscribe and push the like button. This would help me out for now. And here's the tool, and you run it and you get the bounding box.